Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Let's wait for others to join, then I'll tell you what we'll do today.
Ma'am, today we start new chapter. Ma'am, we will do answer the following in detail.
We have done the short ones.
Yes, ma'am. We were on third one. Ma'am, we have only. Ma'am, we have.
Okay, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, in the answer this question in detail, we are doing the question number 3.
Answer in detail question number
Ma'am, we were doing question number 3.
of answer in short or answer in detail.
Answer in detail.
Okay,
Ma'am,
I'll
we have
share
done
the screen
second
with
one
you.
now.
I'll just share the screen, children.
Ma'am, we were on first answer in detail. No, ma'am, we have done all the answer in detail.
Somebody is saying we are on question 1. Somebody is saying we are on question 3. Okay, tell me, have we done this one? Answer the following in detail. How are days formed? Shauri Tyagi, beta, have we done this? Children, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start doing from here. How are days formed?
Ma'am, we have done.
Everyone has done it. Okay, shall I change the page? Now, this is from where you're supposed to start, children. Are you supposed to start from here? Please let me know if you can hear me.
Ma'am, we have done question 3.
Children, can you hear me? I think I'm not audible. Am I audible today? God, I'm not audible only. Children, beta, I didn't know that you all are muted. Now please check.
Ma'am, we have. Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Oh, I didn't know, beta, and I was thinking that you are not being able to hear me. Suddenly I saw in the chat box.
Turn the page.
Okay, okay. I will turn the page. Just wait.
Ma'am, please scroll up. Ma'am, we have done. Ma'am, I have done last also. Ma'am, please send on WhatsApp, bro. Ma'am, I am disconnected.
Now see, is this the right page? Is this the right page that I'm supposed to share?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wonderful. Now I will mute all of you. Because
Ma'am,
you
I
guys
have
so much-
done answer in detail.
Beta, those who have done, just clap for yourself and sit silent in the class. Let everybody else do the work. Yes.
Please send.
Okay, I will send it on WhatsApp to you.
Ma'am, I have already sent. And please send both pages.
Okay, see, one student is saying that she has already sent. That is so helpful of her.
Ma'am,
Kanak, very good Kanak, beta. Thank you so much, Kanak.
what is the question? Ma'am, what is the question of the upper answer? Ma'am, can you show the question?
Beta, now see, beta, wait. You want to see question number 4?
Ma'am, please show the question number 1.
Now, beta, one question is on your class group. Check your WhatsApp group. When majority of the students are on question number 4, then my screen will show question number 4 only. Rest, if you are on any other question, please check on class group. Yes, Jaskaran, now what is your problem, beta? Say.
Ma'am, I am saying, can you show the question 3?
No,
I will take
not
the
show question 3. Why? Because now you have to say it on the class group. Okay?
Ma'am, I have to only click the screenshot. 1 minute, I am testing how to.
Yes, beta, check the class group now. Check the class group if you are not on this question.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in the answer number third, after form one additional day, so we can write after day in February.
Yes, beta, you can write. You can write.
मल्टीप्लाई हो गया और अच्छा तो क्या कर रही है तुम? सारे की छाया अब पूरी की डांस ठीक है
Children, how much is left? About to finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very nice. Very good.
Ma'am, now I am on question 4 because I am finding the mobile.
What, beta?
Ma'am, I am on question 4 because I am finding the mobile. How many lights I have to leave? So I am on only question 4.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have done all. Ma'am, I have done का now.
Okay. Now let's wait for others, beta, to finish.
Now what you have written after sun, sun and lines?
Yes, beta.
Now what you have written after sun and lines?
Sun. Beta, which line of fourth answer? THUS. 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 Direct rays of the sun. Thus, it has summer.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done.
Very nice, beta. Let everybody do.
Ma'am, I have done.
How many are still doing?
Ma'am, on answer 4. Ma'am, I am also on fourth one.
Ma'am, I'm writing example of fourth.
What, beta?
Progress. Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, very good.
I'm done. I'm done. I'm done, Yashmit.
Ma'am, done Jaskaran Singh Kaneja.
Okay, everyone has done. That means everyone has done.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Yes.
Okay, so let me remove
No.
the screen. Can I remove the screen?
Yes. I have almost done.
Almost or completely done? If it's almost,
Yes,
then
ma'am. Ma'am, it's almost done. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have already done at Saturday. You have sent.
now, children, what you will do is the other day we did that essay, Water is Life, right? But you did not get the turn to read it out, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you have written that essay, Water is Life.
Yes, ma'am, I have written.
Very good. Those who have not written will complete their essay right now. Those who have written will read the essays in the class. Will read what they have written.
My book copy.
Everybody go and get your English creative writing copy. All of you go, you have 2 minutes to get your copy.
Ma'am, can I read?
Better let everybody be seated and open their cameras. I will tell everyone to read. Those who have done will raise their hands. I will tell them to read out. Okay, all those who have completed their essays, please raise your hands. Like how Varshita. Yes? What?
Ma'am, can I read my essay?
All of you, those who have done, raise your hands. Raise your hands like Jashmit and Varshita so that I can see how many are ready to read their essays. No, Shobit, beta, please put that emoji. Shobit, can you put that emoji? Jashmit, tell him how to put the emoji.
Ma'am, I'm doing with laptop, so I can't tell. In
Why can't
laptop,
you
it
tell?
is different. Ma'am, in laptop, it is different, and in mobile, it is different.
Okay, different. How do you put that raised hand? Tell me.
Ma'am, I know.
Yes,
Go
tell.
to more and in laptop or computer we have to click on reaction option
But in reaction
and
option, there is just a clap emoji, thumbs up, heart, laughing, surprised, and this thing, a celebration kind of emoji.
Ma'am, I know Arav Gupta.
Yes, Arav, tell.
Ma'am, first, ma'am, the right side, downside corner, go on more, and ma'am, there are so many options like chat, meeting settings, and disconnect audio. And ma'am,
Okay.
below this, there is raise hand.
Okay. Those who are using mobiles, Arav Gupta is telling it to them how to do it. And those who are using a laptop, how do we do it? Tell me.
Ma'am, I am
There are
telling. The laptop going.
go to participants and there are
And in laptop, you have to
uh,
click on reaction
I'll
option
go to the
and click on raise hand.
dots.
And raise.
There are dots. Click on that, and there will be
Okay.
a raise hand option.
In participants, go to different participants. All right. And there are dots. So you can choose from there. Yes. So I have Yashmit, Mokshit, Shobit, Samarth, and Yatharth who are ready to read their essays. Is that all? Arav Gupta, where is your raised hand? Okay, let's begin with Samarth. Let's listen to what Samarth has written.
A drop of water is worth more than a stack of gold to a thirsty man. Introduction. Water is one of the most
Beta,
important
have you also
resources.
written introduction? If you have written the word introduction, please cut it because you're not supposed to write like this. You have given the introduction, that's enough. Okay, cut out that word.
Okay, ma'am. Water is one of the most important resources on this planet. Life without water is impossible. We need water in our daily life. It is also important for plants and animals. Water is transparent, colorless, and tasteless. We get water from well, river, lake, pond, groundwater, seas, and oceans. Drinking, bathing, cooking, and grow plants. More than 71% of the earth is covered with water. Water is used to make electricity. It is used for growing crops. We we should boil water before drinking. That kills germs present in it. Plants need water for photosynthesis. Water is present in all three states: solid, liquid, and gas. We should start saving water today for future use. We should not waste water. Water, the life on this planet, is dependent on water. Therefore, no water, no life.
Samarth, very, very nice. Beta, somebody helped you out in writing it?
Ma'am, only my mother helped me in writing the slogan. Other I have write by myself.
Very nice. You have written it very beautifully. Very organized.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, now can I read my essay?
Ma'am,
Yes,
what
beta,
is
have
the
you?
slogan?
Beta,
Ma'am, what is the slogan? Did the Samarth read?
slogan. Okay, Samarth, beta, please read out your slogan once again.
Okay, ma'am. A drop of water is worth more than a stack of gold to a thirsty man.
Now who will read out? Shobit Gupta. Shobit, read out your essay.
Okay, ma'am. Essay writing. Topic: Water is life. Describing about on 250 words. Water is life because we do not live without water. Water has
हाँ तो अभी
uses
मत
like
कर भैया.
we drink water and we wash with water in summer season. Sometimes the light has gone and there is no water in tanks, so we save water. Do you know? Water has no taste, no color of water, but we drink water because we are thirsty. We drink water every day. This is good for our health because we drink water and our body has no scarcity of water. Per day we drink 18 glass of water. Also we waking and we boil water and we drink if we not have good motion. The water found in sea, lakes, rivers and ponds also. Do you know water comes in which transport? Water come in boats, ships, cruises and some other transport. also, if there is no water, human beings cannot survive without water. Water is very important for our life. All the people of the earth drink water. Water, save nature. Thank you.
Okay, Shobit. I found a few lines which can be erased, which you need not write in this essay. You send it to me on WhatsApp. I will tell you which lines can be removed. Okay?
Okay, ma'am, I am sending.
Ma'am, can I Arav Gupta?
Yes,
Ma'am,
Arav
can I
Gupta
Bhavya?
read. Arav Gupta read.
Ma'am, can I Shaurya?
Ma'am, after
Ma'am, after Arav, can I read Bhavya?
Let me listen to Arav Gupta's essay. All of you be quiet.
Essay writing. Topic: water is life. Water is the basic necessity for the functioning of all life forms that exist on Earth. It is safe to say that water is reason behind Earth being the only planet to support life. This universal solvent is one of the major resources we have on this planet. It is impossible for life to function without water. Thank you.
Okay, Arav Gupta, very nice, beta. You've written very good, but it is little short.
Thank you.
It is little
Ma'am, can I
short.
Shaurya?
Ma'am, now can I
How many
hear?
words is it? Is it
Ma'am,
around
can I-
200 words?
Ma'am, I am counting.
Can I read Yatharth Singh?
Yes, it is.
Ma'am, can I read
You can
Shaurya?
add on a few more lines.
Ma'am, can I read Yatharth Singh?
Okay,
Ma'am, can
ma'am,
I
I will.
Shaurya?
Ma'am,
Now,
can
who
I
is
hear?
going to read? Ashray Agarwal, have you written? Ashray,
Yes, ma'am.
read it out.
Yes, ma'am.
Read it out.
Stop. Ma'am, can I read Mokshit? Ma'am, can I read
Okay, Ashray
Shaurya?
is not reading. Okay, Mokshit Mishra, read.
Okay, ma'am. Essay writing, save water, save life. We should save water to save life. Ma'am, I got disconnected.
Okay, Ashray, you got disconnected. Now let Mokshit read. After him, you can read.
Essay writing, save water, save life. We should save water to save the life because it is necessary for us. There is 3/4 part is water on the earth. Then also we should not waste water. We have to save water to live. Everybody needs water to live. Do not waste water. Take only that much water that you need. We have to give some water to animals also. They also need water to live. Do not throw water here and there. If you don't want now, so keep it for later. We should not make the water dirty. We should give water to the plants and trees also.
my topic?
As they need water to grow.
Who is the
In
student talking in
Holi, we
between?
wait so much.
Who is it talking in between?
Ma'am, Athar Gupta. Ma'am, Athar.
Ma'am, Athar.
Athar Gupta, do you know how to behave in a class? In an online class when somebody is reading something? Continue, beta.
Okay, ma'am. In Holi, we waste so much of water. We should play Holi with the gulals only. Thank you.
Okay, very well tried, Mokshit. Good. Yes, Ashray. Now read.
Can I read after?
Yes, Ashray.
My topic is water is life. We drink water when we are thirsty. We should not waste water. We cannot live without water. Water makes earth temperature cool. We humans make water dirty. The ocean water is salty. We cannot drink ocean water. We need water in our daily life. Animals need water to live. Anybody cannot live without water. Thank you.
Ma'am, now can
That's
I
all,
use
Ashray. Beta, now see, Ashray, you have not written any slogan. You have not written introduction. You have straight away said we should not waste water. First, you should be talking about water, the uses, importance, benefits, where it is found. Like other students described how water is, it is colorless, tasteless, transparent, something about water. And then in the end, I told you to conclude it. We will say that we should not waste water. You can give 2 or 3 tips that how water can be saved. Okay, this kind of a thing. I will send you this essay on the class group, on D group. Everybody please go through it and see if you have not written nicely, try to write it like that. There are students who have written in the class very nicely. Now since beta, since there is no time left, there is no time left now. Yes.
Actually, ma'am,
Ma'am, may I tell you, the water